How to reset your Amazon Fire Stick remote control. So if your remote's not working, you may need to go in reset the device. So the first thing you need to do is go and unplug your Fire Stick from the television. Now make sure to unplug the HDMI connection and also the power outlet as well. Now once it's disconnected, you need to wait 60 seconds. Once 60 seconds have passed, you can then head over to the Amazon Fire Stick remote and you need to press down the following buttons. We're going to hold down the left button, the menu button, which is these three lines here, and also the back button all at the same time. Now you need to hold all of these buttons down for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds have passed, you can then release all of these buttons and then wait an additional 5 seconds. You could then come around to the back of the remote control and you need to go and remove the batteries like so. Once the batteries have been removed, you can re-plug your Fire Stick back into the TV. So once your Fire Stick is reconnected, go and turn on your television and go and load up your Fire Stick. Now you'll see an error message on the screen like this, and it will say that the remote control can't be detected. So what you need to do is place the batteries back inside of the TV remote. You can then click on the home button to reconnect the remote. Once it's been repaired, that will have now reset your Amazon Fire Stick TV remote.